What's going on, guys? It's Mike back here with another video, and in today's video I'm just going to give you guys an update on my car. You know, it's been a while. As you can see, I wrapped the top. It's been wrapped for about like what, maybe 3 months now. I'm not even sure, but let's get into it. One thing I'll start with is this right here. So I hit a raccoon, right? Like the other week I hit a raccoon, and you see what has happened right there. It's not too bad, but the issue with my car right now is that the adaptive cruise control doesn't work. Like, it doesn't detect or see the car that's in front of me. So that's what's wrong with it now, and clearly the fog light's missing. My insurance is covering it, but the thing is that they said my fog light's in there somewhere, but they said that pretty much it would have been cheaper for me to just get a new bumper than to take the time to fix that little dent right there. So what I said to myself is, why not just take the insurance money, you know, undent that myself, because it's not really chipped or nothing, and then also fix the mounts in my fog light. If you guys can see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if you look right there, the mounts are broken off. So I just might get a new mount, and then, you know, as you guys saw in my other videos, I've taken this bumper off previously on my previous car, so that's not too hard to do. That I could take care of and save me some money. I mean, you know, it's not scratch or nothing. So that's the update there. That's how the wrap looks from the front. And then I'll also show you guys something in the back here. That's how the wrap looks. I cleaned up the trunk for all you guys that said I had some ghetto wiring. So hope you appreciate it. You see now, you see. It's all organized, taped up, a lot better than what it was before. Bundled all that up. Yeah, and everything's secure. Nothing slides around. And you guys are wondering, you know, maybe why isn't there screws in there? Why isn't it drilled down? I'll show you exactly why. And then I got this right here in the back. So just to explain what I did here was I used some of this right here. To stick, where is that? That in place. And that's the converter right there. You know, the converter that taps into this right here. This subwoofer from the original head unit in the car. Yeah, so, I mean, it's pretty simple wiring. You guys can see what I did. Not anything major. Just a lot cleaner than before. So I just used Gorilla tape, I believe, and some black electrical tape. This is Velcro down. That's what I use. I use one strap of Velcro here, one strap of Velcro there, and then actually under, there's similar to this. The one I'm using under this is black, but I just use black Velcro under this. So as you see, it's not moving at all. See? It's like attached to this plastic right here. So it's Velcro down, hasn't moved one bit. I mean, I could, you know, hit a quick right turn, quick left turn, all that. Anything, it doesn't move. Same thing here. This is held in place by literally Velcro. This heavy box, like, I kid you not, since I had this Velcro down, it has not moved whatsoever. Look, this is as much as it moves. When the whole bottom, this whole bottom piece comes up, then it moves, but it's never moved out of this position. And also I put some Velcro here on the wires here, so I could just, you know, I didn't have to, but it's convenient. So yeah, that's what it is. You know, it's definitely cleaner than what it was before. If you look at my previous videos, it looks like I just threw wires in here in a box, literally. And this box kept sliding over and over and tipping over, sliding back and forth, and I got tired of it. Just took some time one day to clean it up, and yeah, that's that. With this right here, I could have, you know, taped it down or put some Velcro, but I was like, nah, it's all right, because I would have to redo this part right here, and it took a while. So yeah, that's all for the most part. I mean, I might clean this up in the future, but I think this is good enough. Yep, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little update. See you guys in the next one.